Hey there! Feeling a bit bored with your current keyboard on your Xiaomi phone and want to switch it? No problem at all. In this quick and easy video, I'll guide you through the steps to change your keyboard to something new using the Settings app on your Mi phone. Let's dive in and make those typing experiences more exciting. Step 1. Install a new keyboard first. Start by opening the Google Play Store. Then, search for the keyboard you want, like Gboard, SwiftKey, etc. After that, download the app. Now, install the keyboard on your phone. Step 2. Enable the new keyboard. Head over to your phone's Settings app, then tap on Additional Settings. After that, select Languages and Input. Next, tap on Current Keyboard. Finally, choose the new keyboard you just installed. So that's how you can switch up your default keyboard on your Xiaomi phone. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you soon. Thanks for tuning in and see you in the next one.